Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. The tutorial explains how to turn on the camera on an HP laptop using Windows settings. First, make sure the laptop's physical camera cover/shutter is open before using the webcam. Open the Windows menu and go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down and select Privacy Options. Find the Camera section inside Privacy Settings. Enable camera access by turning on the camera permission toggle. Allow apps to access the camera so applications like Camera, Zoom, or Teams can use it. Close Settings and search for the Camera app from the Windows search bar. Open the Camera app to test the webcam, capture photos, or record videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.